Hey guys, I'm back with a new tutorial and I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for all the love on my last video. You guys are awesome. So today I decided to do an easy soft glam makeup look that I think would be perfect for like wedding makeup, or if you want to look glam but not too much, this look is great for you. So let's get started. Today I'm using my Pro Filter foundation from Fenty Beauty in the shade 370, and I also mix it with the shade 385. For concealer, I'm going to be using my Fenty Pro Filter in the shade 370. To set the areas that I just highlighted, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Loose Setting Powder in the shade Banana, and then to set the rest of my face lightly, I will use the shade Honey. So I'm going to lightly contour my face using the Rimmel Stay Matte powder in the shade Pecan. Moving on to brows, I'm using the Smashbox Brow Tech Matte Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. I love thin pencils like this just because it gets me a more precise look, and I'm able to draw hair-like strokes. For the eyes, I'm going to start off with a transition color, and the color I'm using is from Lancome. It's the Color Design eyeshadow in the shade Camel. So you want to use windshield wiper motions to blend back and forth with that color. I'm applying it in my crease and I'm bringing it up close to my brow bone. Now going into the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm taking that brown and I'm going to run that a little bit lower than the last color that I used. And I'm also putting this in my outer V area. And here I am just taking the first color that I used and running that on my lower lash line area. Now with this darker brown, I'm going to kind of deepen, smoke out this look a little bit and run it in my outer V area, also in my lower crease and on my lower lash line. And this is like the hardest thing for me to do on myself, is to do a cut crease. For this, I'm just using a concealer brush and my concealer and creating that cut crease that you see me struggling to do right here. So I'm just blending the outer area of that into my eyeshadow using a clean synthetic blending brush, and I'm taking this eyeshadow from J-Cat Beauty. It's the Chrome Eye Mousse in the shade Houdini. I found that it's easier to apply with my fingers rather than an eyeshadow brush. However, I did go in with an eyeshadow brush after, just to get in the hard to reach areas that I couldn't get to. And I'm going to be going into this Lancome palette right here. It's the Lancome Starlight eyeshadow palette in Glow, and I'm taking that champagne-ish color and applying it in my inner tear duct area. And right here I'm just blending in some browns on my outer V. And we're gonna pop on some mascara and some lashes and move on to the lips. So for lips, I'm going to line with my favorite liner. It is Chestnut. I know it's everybody's favorite. And the lipstick I'm using today is the Lancome Color Design in Natural Beauty. And to highlight my face, I'm using these two shades from my Lancome Starlight Sparkle Face Palette in Glow. And I'm going to add a little bit of color to my cheeks using NARS Blush in Liberty. So this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. And as always, leave your suggestions in the comment section below. And if you didn't watch my last video, please go on my channel and go and watch it now. It's up and it's live, and I love you guys. I will see you in my next video.